In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix screen share not working in Discord on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when Discord refuses to share your own screen on Mac showing a loading wheel, a black screen, or a screen recording permission required, it's usually for a few different reasons. So for the first thing you want to do is force refresh the screen recording permissions. So all you want to do is press the Apple icon on the top left and then go over to System Settings, like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Then on the right hand panel, scroll down and click on Screen and System Audio Recording, which is going to be towards the bottom over here. Now we want to give permission, so we want to press this plus icon. You can use your fingerprint or your password, and then we just want to look for Discord in the app list block. Then click the toggle switch next to Discord and turn it off, and then enter your password, and a pop-up card will state that Discord needs the settings to apply. Now, what you also want to do is once you're done with that, you can go back to Discord, then go over to settings on Discord, and then go over and you're going to see a lot of different options. But we want to look for something called, not developer mode, it's going to be like hardware acceleration. So to find that, all you want to do is go to the app settings and then go ahead and find advanced. So we're going to go ahead and find that right now. It might also be in voice and video as well. So all you want to do is just find the hardware acceleration. Once you go ahead and find that, go ahead and disable it, and then that should definitely help as well, because you don't want hardware acceleration on. That could be a huge culprit, especially in my instances. That's a huge culprit as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.